What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Weird Ed Danielson, and today I'll be celebrating the 25-year anniversary of Just Toys. This is a wrestling figure, a Bend-Ems Series X WWF, and this mysterious character I'll be showing you is going to be pretty awesome. Let's check it out in 3, 2, 1, boom. There he is. Steve Blackman. World Wrestling Federation. Pretty cool, huh? Let's check out the back. Here is the back. Let's check out the card. Pause if y'all want to read this. This is the back of the card, by the way. This is an awesome card. It looks like it could be a battle card. A comic book battle card. Pokemon, but wrestling edition. Pretty awesome artwork right there. And a good autograph. Not just a good autograph, an amazing autograph. I love it. Here he is. He's free. He's free. He's free. Let's check the back. Here is the signature. Pretty cool, huh? Well, that'll be everybody. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.